Hey guys, Nikhil here from OneWork. In this video, I'll show you how you're supposed to brand your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First things first, go to studio.youtube.com as you can see here. And then when you go there, log into your respective YouTube channel and then go to customization right here. So if I click on customization, you'll see some basic details, channel layouts. I'm going to make a separate video for the channel layouts. So say subscribe for that. And then you go to branding. You'll have option to upload a picture or video watermark. So I'll just click on upload and I have a logo ready right here. So let me just show that. So this is my logo. I just open it and the logo is added. I click on done. Same thing, I'll upload for the video watermark. Upload, I'll select my respective logo and done. Now you can also add a channel banner. You can create this channel banner on Canva or anything else. They've given the resolution which you need. Just keep this in mind that this channel banner, whenever you upload, use a very small and very specific space. Now that you have uploaded your logo and your watermark, let's upload the channel banner as well. I already have something prepared. They've mentioned the pixel resolution which you need right here. So I'll click on upload. I'll select the respective channel banner and I'll click open. Now, few things you gotta understand that it looks slightly different on different devices. So it's showing how it works on TV, how it looks on desktop. So the desktop view I'm fine with. The mobile views, I think I can tweak it. So I'll change it later on and I'll click on done. Once you're done, on the top right, you have the publish button right here. So click on that. So once the particular channel banner, the branding, all the logo is published, on the top right, if you notice, the publish icon, will get grayed out. So let's just see how our YouTube channel looks. And there you have it. It looks really nice. It looks well branded. I mean, it looks like, it's an Anti-Learn YouTube channel. In this case, the name of the brand is Anti-Learn. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions about YouTube channel branding, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.